Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, day number 40 of Power BI DAX functions discussions. We have already dealt with 39 different Power BI DAX functions in which we have covered their main categories and their subcategories of DAX functions. Today in this video, we are not going to deal with any one particular topic. Today it is going to be a super fun where we are going to discuss a difference or comparison between two different DAX functions. And if you're watching our channel for the first time and if you're feeling like you have missed our 39 days of DAX function, not to worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description box. You can go ahead and you can watch it. Let's start with the today's session. So in text DAX function, we have dealt with search and find in a two different videos. And this session we are going to check or compare what is the difference between search and find DAX functions. We are requesting you to not skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any piece of information which is very important between these two DAX functions. Let's start with the today's session. So first we are going to deal with first find and search functions. Almost it looks like the same. Find and search. What is the difference? The major difference. What is the major difference we are going to see? So here you can see in find we have used the same. It's like first we have to check with the syntax of with which text we want to check, and within the text where you want to start from. Suppose you want to start from the position of 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to search, and then it will be the, if you're not found, what should be your answer. That is the syntax for find. The same syntax replicates for the search also. The same syntax will replicate for the syntax replicates for the search also. So here we have given E, instead of that I'm going to give T. Okay, so that it will be a better comparison. You can able to see in search, you can able to see it is giving us 1, but in case if you go to find and if you can see it is giving us 4. The reason is because the first and the foremost reason is because find is a case sensitive function where you have to give the exact case which is uppercase or lowercase for that particular string value, so that you will get the proper portion of that particular text or the string which you want to find within the text. But in search it's not that one. It is like non-case sensitive. Suppose if you want to find the small t, then you have to start the value from the position of 2. Let's try with that. Let's see what is going to happen. And search, I'm going to change it to position number 1 to 2, and let's see what is the answer I'm going to get. Okay, now we got the 4. How? Because it is in the fourth position of the string. We are starting it from the second and we are getting 2, 3 and 4. So it is ignoring the first t, so it is taking the t at the number 4. If you have extra t also, let's say if I'm giving extra t, the same small t, but still my answer is 4. But in the case of find, it will be the different one. So this is the major and very impactful difference between search and find option. We have come to the end of this video session. Hope you have understood this difference between search and find function in Power BI. If you have any queries in this particular video, please post your comments in our comment box. We are happy to assist you in all the time. We'll meet you with the next exciting function of Power BI DAX function. Stay tuned. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.